Hi, my name is Shelby Lynn, aka Blender Babe. I can't even do that with a straight face. Don't call me that. Just kidding. I can't get it out of my head. Can't help it. This is the first Blender tutorial that I'm doing to show you exactly what I learned the first time opening up Blender. When I downloaded Blender, you can choose specialized themes. Very happy about that. Very excited about that. And I kind of tested them all. I did settle on the white one, but if you want to customize your 3D viewport, you can go ahead and follow the tutorial in this video. That should help. You're going to go to Edit. You're going to go to Preferences. You're going to go to Themes. It could be on any one of these sections, but you're going to go to Themes. You're going to go to 3D Viewport. This is where you can change your grid color. I always change mine to this like bluish area because I've got to have like vintage posh. Oh my gosh. It's dumb. I'm dumb. Who wants to have their viewport the color of a vintage plate? I do. So that's your grid lines if you want to change your grid lines. I want to go down to theme space next. Scroll down to theme space. I wish this was higher up because this is the one that I always really like to change the most. And by most, I mean change it to white. You're going to go to gradient colors. And I keep it on single color, but you can literally experiment, do your thing. Gradient colors. And then I'm going to change mine back to white because I like the white. And that's how you change the viewport. If you have your preferences saved on autosave down here in the bottom, it should work perfectly for you. You can literally have fun. I haven't really had fun going through the themes of everything that I can customize because this is just mainly the most important thing for me to learn. I really wanted to have like a canvas structure to work on and to navigate, and having white canvas or even just a white piece of paper really just got my creativity going. The second method, you can go to the world properties in your properties window. See where little Porg is dancing. So we're going into our world. And let's say you want to change the background. You want the background for your image, your actual 2D or 3D image, to be a certain color. Let's say I want it to be blue. I want it to be this crazy vibrant blue. But we don't see it. We don't see it change. So what we need to do is go over to the Render tab, and then everything changes blue. I know that there's more advanced methods that you can do to manipulate the material of your meshes and your viewport with shaders, but I haven't gotten into that yet, so I can't help anyone out. Maybe later down in the future, I'll be able to post more about those options as well and when you would use it. Right now, I'm not using the second method very much. I'm not really producing any images where I want to change the background, but I do, however, use the first method of changing the 3D viewport to white, basically. Whenever I need it to be white or whenever it doesn't save my lines, then I change my lines back to vintage posh. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. This was a tutorial by moi. I shall post weekly. That is the goal. Everything that I'm learning and talking about in kind of like a live podcast show for anyone to check out. And I will be making videos like this periodically to just showcase and cement what I'm learning. Thanks for stopping by. I am out. Goodbye. Ta-ta. For now. Adios.